Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see Maharashtra State Board Class 10 Science 2 Chapter number 7 Introduction to Microbiology Part 2. In a Part 1 already we have discussed about the applied microbiology, industrial microbiology and then the products in the industrial microbiology. In that, we had already seen that the dairy products, yogurt product, then the butter, cheese production, bread, vinegar, probiotics. These things already we have discussed in the previous video. In this video, we are going to begin with the microbial enzymes. Nowadays, when we talk about the chemical catalyst used in industries is the quantity of that is reducing continuously. Why? Because of the microbial enzymes. Because now the industries they are using the microbial enzymes. These enzymes are active at a low temperature, pH, pressure, due to which energy is saved and the erosion proof instruments are also not necessary for this. So that reduces basically the cost of production. Enzymes carry out a specific processes, hence unnecessarily the byproducts which are getting formed due to the chemical catalyst, that kind of a thing can be removed by use of the microbial enzymes, and that's why this microbial enzymes are used as a supplement for the chemical catalyst. Elimination and decomposition of a waste material is avoided and the enzymes can be reused. Hence, such enzymes are eco-friendly. Some examples of a microbial enzymes are oxidoreductase, then the transferases, hydrolases, lyases, isomerases, ligases, etc. Process of a dirt muck removal occurs at a low temperature too due to mixing of enzymes with detergents. Glucose and fructose syrups can be obtained from corn flour by action of enzymes obtained from bacilli and the streptomyces. Microbial enzymes are used in various industries like a cheese, plant extracts, textile, leather, paper, etc. Now, on the basis of this, the organic acids used in various commercials products and microbes useful for the same, they have given a table over here. In that, the first one they have given as a sugar and beet, molasses, ammonia, salt, and the microbe used for this is a brevibacterium and the corynebacterium, and amino acid produced by it is the L-glutamate acid, and the uses production of a monosodium glutamate which we call as a Ajinomoto. Another one is a sugar molasses, salt, aspergillus niger, and the citric acid is used for it, and the drinks called toffees, chocolate production, that all need this particular microbe. Further is a glucose corn steep liquor, aspergillus niger, gluconic acid, production of minerals used as a supplement for calcium and iron. Another they have given as a molasses, corn, steep liquor, lactobacillus, delbrueckii, lactic acid, source of nitrogen and the production of vitamins. Molasses, corn, steep liquor, aspergillus, iticonis, itaconic acid, paper, textile, plastic industry, gum production. In that, this particular sources used in the microbes are used in that. Now the further they have given is about the substances obtained by the microbial processes and their roles, like citric, malic and lactic acid to impart acidity. Like that they have given us glutamic acid, lysine and the tryptophan. Its role is a protein binding, then the niacin and the natamycin, microbial restrictor, then the ascorbic acid, that is vitamin C, B12 and B2, antioxidants and the vitamins, beta carotene, lysopenes, xanthines, lutein, edible colors, and then the polysaccharides, glycolipids, that is for the as a emulsifier, then the vanillin, ethyl butyrate, that is a fruit flavor, then the peppermint flavor, essence of various fruits and flowers, which is used for the essence, then the xylitol, aspartame, it is a artificial sweetener with a low calorie. So these are the uses. Another use of a microbes, one of the most important, that is the antibiotics. You might have heard about this particular word, that is antibiotics, which is just opposite of the biotic factors or the microbial factors. Many diseases of the human and the other animals have been controlled due to antibiotics obtained from different types of bacteria and fungi. Antibiotics like a penicillin, cephalosporin, monobactam, bacillin, erythromycin, gentamicin, neomycin, streptomycin, tetracycline, vancomycin, etc. are used against various strains of gram positive and gram negative bacteria. Rifamycin is effective against tuberculosis. So, various diseases can be controlled with the help of the antibiotics. Now, the another thing is microbes and fuels. The gaseous fuels, that is methane, can be obtained by the microbial or the anaerobic decomposition of urban agriculture and industrial waste. Ethanol and alcohol is a clean, that is a smokeless fuel obtaining or obtained during fermentation of a molasses by the yeast Saccharomyces. Hydrogen gas is considered to be the fuel of future. Hydrogen gas is released during biophotolysis of water, in which bacteria perform the photoreduction. Further, as similar to fuels, various industrial chemicals are also produced through microbial process. For example, they have given us a various alcohols, acetone, organic acids, fatty acids, polysaccharides that are useful as a raw material in a chemical industry. Some of these are useful as raw materials for plastic and food products. Another example they have given over here with a picture they have indicates that the biofuel, what we have, the various kind of biofuels are used. I'm starting with the biofuel itself, and then it is used in various transportations like vehicles, and then the airplanes. This all are emitting out the carbon dioxide, and this carbon dioxide is in the presence of a solar energy. It goes and forms the oxygen to the conversion of a cellulose to glucose also, and from there the sugar is produced. Sugar is used in food products, and then from there again it's producing the biofuels. Further, next what we have to discuss, that is the microbial pollution control. Microbial pollution control is one of the most important thing what we have to study. That is, the solid waste, sewage, and various pollutants are ever increasing with increase in pollution. Along with it, increasing diseases and degradation of environment are the worldwide problems. Especially cities in a densely populated countries like India are affected with these problems. Life of the future generations will be difficult if these problems are not solved at the right time. It's but obvious, if the pollution goes on increasing continuously day by day, then the future generation will is going to face a huge problem. Then for that they have given landfilling sites. Degradable waste being accumulated in urban areas is used for this purpose. Large pits are dug in open spaces far away from the residential area, and those pits are lined with plastic sheets as a precaution. against pollution of a soil due to leaching of toxic and harmful materials. Compressed waste is dumped in the pit. It is covered with a layers of soil, sawdust, leafy waste, and specific biochemicals. Bioreactors are mixed at some places. Microbes present in the soil and other top layers decomposes the waste. Completely filled pit is sealed with a soil slurry. Best quality compost is formed after few days. Such landfilling sites can be reused after removal of compost. So the compost, whatever is getting prepared under that particular or inside that pit, can be used again. After removal of that, it can be used. That pit can be used again for the further garbage to decompose. Now, in this video, only this much. In the next video, we are going to talk about the sewage management and some more things which will improve the society.